internal resistance increases. The Sony VTC5A, Samsung 25R, Sony VTC6, Samsung 30Q, and LG HE4 did excellent at 12 milliohms of resistance or less. 4 brands with the highest internal resistance are all made in China. Beginning on the left side of the chart, the first 7 brands did a terrific job, all delivering at least 97% of their rated capacity. The Samsung 35E did a respectable job at 93% of its rating. However, the 4 brands on the right side only produced around 12 to 22% of their rated capacity. Up next, we're going to see how these 18650s perform when they're very cold. The freezer is set at 6 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 14 degrees Celsius. The batteries were all placed in the freezer after they were fully charged for several hours before the test began. Cold temperature had very little impact on the Korean-made Samsung 25R and the LG HE4. However, the Samsung 30Q, Sony Murata VTC6, Sony Murata VTC5, Panasonic LG MJ1, and Samsung 35E all achieved very close to or over 90% of their rated capacity, showing terrific cold temperature performance. Once again, the Chinese brands delivered well below 25% of their rated capacity. While there are many factors to consider when buying 18650 batteries, including the ability to meet high drain rate applications, cost per milliamp hour is an important factor. The LG MJ1 produced 10.5 milliamp hours per penny, which is actually pretty impressive. The LG HE4 did very well at 8.4, the Samsung 25R at 7.4, the Samsung 30Q at 6.9, and the Samsung 35E at 6.7. It's all about milliamp hours per penny. The Korean-made LG and Samsung appear to be a much better value than the Japanese-made Sony Murata and Panasonic cells. While it appears that the Sony Murata VTC5 is about the same value as